Right, session 50, 51, and 52. I feel like a lot of what happened last session is going on with these sessions, and obviously on the weekends, I'd be kind of like not feeling like posting shit after work. This shit, yeah. I think a lot of these was me trailing and just not trailing enough. Like seeing 5R here, and you're just, finally moving it. I think this one, we get a winner that day, but I think we go, where we at here, 750. That's a good day. I think I wanted to keep going, but I didn't. But these next, actually, you know what? I didn't actually get 52. So the next session, it seems like after a green, I get overconfident. But here's the next day, which would have been, this was Tuesday, so Wednesday night. And I think at this point I'm realizing, like, I'm not following anything. I don't have a plan. I have a strategy, but like how much to when to stop, or how many losses in a row, or how many, going from that one trade a day situation to something that's more realistic for what my strategy takes. And I think the most comfortable is doing these like $100 at a time, or maybe 200, just one or two trades. Like maybe two, because one usually is not enough. Two, I know for sure you're not getting it. If I don't win after two trades, it's not my day. And this one we got the one, and as you can see, I entered in early, trying to go to that. Because sometimes the halfway that holds, I think they call it an order block or whatever the fuck that is, but and sometimes it doesn't, and that's why I stick to the only targeting that first gap. But where I miss a lot, like this trade, is I don't enter when price goes into the gap. I'm always waiting for the exit, and that can cause for confusion and angst, because you're like, okay, I don't want to miss the trade. So I think this one we finally catch. I don't think it had exited, and once it hits the new low, then it's done. Obviously, I got the. You're hoping that it can take this whole fib move, but that's not guaranteed. As you can see, in and out. Like that should have been break even to worst case scenario, and then we try to hold it on the pin and it does not hold again. So you're making the same mistake twice, back to back, instead of just sticking to what you know, which is that first gap after a higher low is broken. So I think I have like 400 left on this combine. We're only a week into July. So I think I took the weekend to kind of reassess whatever's, what's going on. And coming back Sunday, I got like, what is this, 8 p.m. I might not even trade. I might start tomorrow because it's getting so late. But I'm going to be trading, not nothing new, but it's going to be more explaining like what's going on when I'm trading, because right now it's just a bunch of randomness. Like where when I go back and watch these, I should be able to just look at the chart and see, oh, that's where I got in, or that's when I got out, because it's fucking robotic. And obviously this here, you're at what, 800? You just literally trying anything, hoping for such big return. You're caught in the chop. Like when the first line crosses, that's when I'm supposed to get in, and then you trail it, getting in all that late shit because you don't want to wait. You see where it got you.